Alright, you know it. One more time. 3 times. One of those gotta do it 3 freaking times. And I'm gonna go take a lunch break. Okay, what I did this time is I'm gonna try this little contraption here, and then I think we're gonna go ahead and try.
Yeah, I'm just doing this right now.
That's all right. No. And then we're gonna try the winch on it. I wish I had. Problem is, I got to get it up out of the ground, and then I'm gonna attach the winch to it, and then pull it the rest of the way out of the ground. So we're gonna see if this hooks up. Okay, as you can see, I got it to pull up, and now you can see there's leaking water coming from the house. So it's going to drain everything from the water, but as you can see, I was able to pop that, and now it's leaking. Now I just got to be able to lift it up out of there, and then we'll wrap it and get it, pull it the rest of the way up. But it's 75 feet long. I don't know how much water that equals. It's in that 1.5 inch water line. But I know it's heavy. Alright, we're pulling it out of the ground now. Alright, babe. Go ahead and fire it up. Crank it, yep. What are you doing? Okay. Here's the next separator off the wall. Still don't see the pump. Sounds like you got it off the wall. I wonder if it. That's the pump in that. Yeah. You almost there? How many feet you got left? 12. Okay, keep going. Which is about what I got left here, I think. God, money. Okay, keep going. Keep going. You there yet? Oh. Charlene, come back here and pull the hose up. Pull the hose up that way. Right about there. Grab the hose and pull it up to the road. Okay, go to the road. Okay. Good, good, good. Go into the road. All right, here it is. Yeah. Oh, what's going on with it? Okay. All right. That's it.
Is it really it, or is
Yeah.
it for now it? Or is it for I'm done with this part of it it?
Or
is it just it because that's what you felt like saying it was?
We're done for now. Till it goes back in.
So it's out.
It's out.
When's it going back in?
Probably after I get a new pump.
So you're just not gonna have any water?
Right.
I thought it was
what?
I thought it was clogged and you were gonna unclog it and put it back and we were good.
That don't work. I don't know. I gotta look at it. It was good until we put it back in.
You're gonna put it back in?
Huh?
Huh?
We're good till I put it back in. Till it goes back in. Alright. It's out. Come back and plug that back into the wire and see what it does.
24-pack of bottles of water. We'll just pour 3 or 4 of them in the coffee pot. You don't care.
Now, as you can see, this is what that screwed into. But as we can see, Mr. I think it's all screwed up. I think I should have replaced that. Pull it out so I put a new one in. Now I don't have to worry about using that hook that I just did. There's just no, it's all gone. And it doesn't go through. It's a brass fitting. I'm going to take this back so I can plug it back into the wiring. All right. And see if I can hear why the pump's not running. As you can see, there's a nice big spring loaded thing here that I can undo. Maybe clean it out. Where's my... Let's see if I can find my thing there. So there we are for right now. So I can figure out what we might have here. I don't know whether something can end up in there. Maybe it'll start running again once I drop it back down again. We'll see. So stay tuned.